Hello and welcome, creative crochet artists. My name is Tagreed and this is the Crochet Creators page and channel. I would love for you to tell me which country you are watching from today. Also, if you are planning to create this pattern, please let me know if you will be making a shawl or a scarf. Now, let us walk through the steps together. I am using a 4.5mm crochet hook, which is the appropriate size for the weight of the yarn I have selected. However, you may use any type of yarn that you have available to you. I will start by creating an even number of chains based on the desired width for your shawl or scarf. To begin the first row, I will skip the first chain to serve as the turning chain. I will then start working into the second chain by making a double crochet stitch in this manner. Next, I will make one chain and wrap the yarn around the hook. I will skip one chain and go into the following chain to work another double crochet stitch. I will continue by making one chain, wrapping the yarn, skipping one chain, and working a double crochet stitch into the next chain. I will repeat this pattern until I reach the end of the row. Make one chain, skip one chain, and work a double crochet stitch into the second chain. To begin the second row, I will go directly into the very first double crochet stitch and work one double crochet in this manner. Next, I will make one chain and then work a double crochet stitch directly on top of the double crochet from the previous row. I will continue to repeat this pattern. I am going to work one chain stitch over each chain space and I will work one double From this point forward, the process is simply a repetition of the second row until you reach the appropriate length for your scarf or shawl.